Eh, are you there?
Hey, my guy, now I do.
I've been looking for you since, so.
Hey, Abe.
Eh?
You mean him?
I don't look for you. You don't say you don't get direction. Eh,
sure.
This place, Chai, Alpha, I beg.
Nah.
I need something. I did desperate now, guy. Just help me out.
What do you want?
Anything. I just get broke. Anything, just help me. I'm broke.
Okay, you get what I will give you.
What is that?
They call it remote.
Remote.
It can remove the whole nation.
Whole nation?
I swear.
Hey.
It can remove anybody you want to remove.
Anybody?
You use it and make money.
Oh, I can't wait
Bitcoin.
to see. Eh?
Bitcoin.
Bitcoin?
Use it and make Bitcoin money. Anybody say pause, that person will pause.
Instantly.
But let me warn you.
Eh?
Don't use it for native doctor.
Native doctor?
Don't use it for anybody who gets spiritual package.
No problems.
Don't use it for reverend father.
Reverend father?
Even pastor.
Pastor, no problem.
When they do spiritual something.
No problem. I decrease.
It will work for you.
No problem.
This one go give you money. I take return in 3 days time.
3 days time?
3 days time. Make
no
sure you
problem.
return it.
Yeah.
If you don't return it, you run mad though.
No, no problem.
Okay.
In 3 days time, I will return it.
Okay,
I will make
bye
sure.
bye.
I will come back in return of something. Thank you. Hey! What a wonderful. Wow. Let me try this remote. Pause. Eh? It work, oh. Everybody pause. What a wonderful remote. Mwah. Hey! Let me go and collect their thing one by one. Hey! Thank God. So now your phone? I might just pardon you. You don't waste my time. But, you know, this your wash. But I like this your glass. Okay. Eh? Give me your bag. No, I gave one. No, this. I took this. Ompa. Give me this your phone, Jared. This your towel. Clean your nose. What do you get? You don't even get anything. See as you be. You don't even get nothing. Better come up for here. Okay. Man, give me this one. Yeah, oh boy, I don't get plenty things. So, hey, this wood they work. Hey, hey. I leave this one for now. I don't get much time. Wow. Guy, take this one. I the remaining one. My pardon you.
Jesus, my phone! I don't understand. I stand here before my phone. My phone!
What's up here? I mean, leave me. What's the worry? You are the office. What's the worry? This one, I asked you to move my phone. What's my bag now? What's the worry you now? I can't bag. I can't be doing. What's the worry now? Why the sass me like this? What's my bag now? What's the worry you now? Which can't be?
Not be me. I don't stand for here. Now me I stand for here. I phone now. Not be me. I here today now. I don't like it. This one. I don't like it.
I just slap you now.
I don't like it. Give me my phone. Give me my phone. Give me my phone.
If I slap you, go not to the worry for you. God, give me my phone.
I don't like it. You don't see, I didn't see one of my earpods. You are going me, I don't like it. No, I don't like it. I don't like it.
Don't touch me. What they worry now? The tension to your touch. What they do now? Guys, no come up for here today. No come up for here. No come up for here. Everything I know. Give me my thing. I want to work for you. Give me my loan. I don't worry you now. You go provide my phone today.
Babalawo, with bag of money. Eh? Hey, I'm rich. Hey, hope I think this remote is going to work. This is the final day. Let me try this remote.
What does not near River? What are you here? I got it. I'll go big go this. He's here to have the food of a God that God follows. We're gonna do. Ikuku! How long has an iloko tree? It can never reach the sky. The child that says his mother will not sleep. Oh, get it? That child too will not sleep. I'm gonna.
Boss, hey, thank God, oh. Hey, it really worked. Hey, thank God. It's my lucky day. Hey. If you want to come to please, pardon me, boss. If you want to
That child that says his mother will not sleep. That child will not sleep.
please, boss, now.
The child that says his mother will not sleep.
Pardon me, I beg.
The child that says his mother will not sleep. That child too will not sleep.
Please, please, please. Hey, you want to